The next station is Canary Wharf.
Hi, Layla.
Hi.
Hi, Ate Elena.
Hi.
Where are you, Layla?
I saw you.
Where are you, Ate?
Where are you?
Canary Wharf.
Where are you in?
Canary Wharf.
Bulaga. Bulaga, Layla.
Bulaga. Say
Where are you
Bulaga.
in? Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf.
Canary Wharf.
What?
What?
Say it.
Canary Wharf. Oh, look, Mama. Teacher there. Mama, is the shark over there? Yes or no?
You want to swim?
No.
What?
There's a shark.
There's no shark.
Huh?
There's no shark.
Why is the shark over there?
There's no shark.
Why is it that you want to go to McDonald's?
There's McDonald's. Not funny.
I'm hungry.